Tired of waiting for a technician? Let's get your AT&T DSL up and running yourself, fast and frustration-free. First things first, unbox your AT&T DSL modem. You'll find the modem itself, a power adapter, and usually an Ethernet cable and a phone cable. Lay everything out so it's easy to access. Now, locate the phone jack in your home, take the phone cable provided, and plug one end into the DSL port on your modem. This port is usually labeled DSL or has a phone symbol. Then, plug the other end of the phone cable into your wall phone jack. Next, grab your Ethernet cable, plug one end into any of the Ethernet ports on your modem, usually labeled LAN or with a computer icon. Then, connect the other end to the Ethernet port on your computer. If you're using Wi-Fi, your modem will broadcast a network once it's powered on, and you'll connect to that wirelessly later. Almost there. Plug the power adapter into the back of your modem, and then plug the other end into a working electrical outlet. Your modem will now power on. You'll see indicator lights blinking, which means it's booting up. Give your modem a few minutes to fully power up and synchronize with the AT&T network. Look for the indicator lights to show a solid power, DSL, and internet connection. This usually takes about 5 to 10 minutes. Once those lights are steady, open a web browser on your computer. If you connected via Ethernet, you should see a setup page or a confirmation that you're online. If you're using Wi-Fi, search for your modem's Wi-Fi network name, typically found on a sticker on the modem itself, and enter the password. You'll likely be prompted to create your own Wi-Fi name and password for a secure and personalized network. And that's it. You've successfully set up your AT&T DSL Internet yourself. Enjoy browsing, streaming, and connecting. For more tips, subscribe.